Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. I truly appreciate it. So I'm bringing to y'all today a makeover of my desk area. I have redone it over and I have decluttered it. Oh my God, let me tell y'all. I had so much stuff in this desk. I don't even know how I had it. I can't even, y'all gonna see. I don't even see how I had all this stuff in this little area right here. It was so decluttered. Although it was hidden, mentally I remember that all this stuff was in here and I just knew I had to tackle it one day. And let me say 3 to 4, 5 days ago, your girl got busy. I almost gave up, but I said no. I fought through it, and I thought maybe if I record myself, it'll push me to get on through this thing. And I'm so glad I did, because your girl got this done, and I am happy to say I am I'm so at peace. Mentally, physically, all that. I'm just so happy that this desk area has gotten done, that I finally tackled everything. And I solely done it on a thrifted budget, because you know your girl like to go thrifting, so you know I had to, you already know I had to get my thrifting stuff on. So I am so excited to share with y'all how my desk turned out. This first video is going to show y'all how I decluttered it and how I painted everything, and then the second video will show y'all the actual reveal. Yes, so I hope y'all go and check out both of the videos, and if you have not done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. As I always say, I truly appreciate it. So let's head on over and check out those videos. Y'all be blessed. So I had to do a voiceover because they recorded too low, but anywho's, I am saying that I am going to try this Waverly chalk paint in white that I got from Walmart, and I'm going to use this Waverly wax as well in clear. And then I picked up this wallpaper from the thrift store, y'all. I'm going to combine these two together and hope that this turned out right. I don't know, but anywho's, I got this wallpaper from the thrift store for only $1.95, y'all. Yes, I have never had this together, but first I got to declutter everything, and hopefully that this all turns out right. So I don't know, we'll have to see, right? So y'all just bear with your girl and stay tuned. Okay, y'all, that is it for this video. I hope you all watched it and made it all the way through the end. If you have done so, thank y'all for watching. And if you haven't done so already, please like, comment, and subscribe to your girl down below. So without further ado, I want y'all to come on with me and let's check out my other video so y'all can see the reveal. All right, let's go.